The places that people choose and are often closely associated with natural beauty. Woods, forests, seacoasts, riverbanks, with their clean air and oases, and often near water, these give people a sense of well-being and happiness. Reasons why beings look at natural beauty is because God created to take the beauties of paradise. Whether a person is aware of it or not, he is waiting for the blessing of paradise. God gives paradise to us in the Qur'an with all the attributes of nature. But those who faith and actions, gardens, rivers, that is the great tree. Heath describes the trees of paradise. Under whose shade a river could travel for 100 years without covering the distance completely. The trunk of every described paradise speak of the tree tuba and of its characteristics. Our Prophet's description of the tree are as follows. Tuba is a tree in paradise, which spreads out as much robes for the dwellers. Tuba has matchless features and is very strong. In a way that in paradise, world no longer applies, are also made out of this tree. Rivers are made mention of rivers. The rivers of paradise spring from mountains or hills of musk. In paradise there is a sea of honey, a sea of wine, and a sea of water, and the rivers flow out of these seas. These rivers are Qur'an. An immense garden which to those who guard. In it there are rivers of water which will never boil, of milk whose taste never changes, and wine full to all who drink it, and rivers of honey of undiluted purity. It they will have of every kind and from their Lord. Is that like those who will pour with boiled milk will lacerate their bowels? In the Hadith, milk wine given an example. The milk, honey, and wine referred to here created with different characteristics unique to paradise to those in this world. Each one in paradise is an immaculate, delicious, restorative drink. The wine in paradise, for instance, bears no resemblance to that of this world. The people of paradise will not get headache from them or lose their self-composure. In other words of the Qur'an, God reveals white as driven snow, delicious drink which has no headache and does not leave them stupefied.